How to get streak on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can get streaks on TikTok. First, make sure that you've installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device. To check, you can go to Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok and then upload it from there. Now open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Again, from here, scroll down and then go to Notifications that you will find in the Content and Display, which is the initial option. Tap on it. Now from this page, you need to simply scroll down and you will see the option of streaks. If you pushed the notifications on, then you will see the option of streaks over here. You need to simply toggle this switch on and you'll be done. That's how you can activate streaks on TikTok. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and share our video. See you in the next time.